YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here, and I'm out here in the new man cave, and what I'm doing today is using some of this wood from fallen branches to fill my garden bed. I should have a delivery of leaf mulch soil compound or compost delivered tomorrow, and I just got a few cubic yards. Not sure how much a cubic square yard, or I think it's like 3 foot by 3 foot, but I have to actually see how large it's going to be. I don't think it's going to be enough to fill these up by far. So just to get an idea, I just ordered 3. And I told the guy that I will probably wind up getting more. Am I going to fill the entire bed with the leaf mulch soil? No. I'm actually going to use a lot of the mulch that I've been creating over the years. Sitting, look at a rabbit. Stay over there, Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Two Rabbits. Over there where the orange is, I've been collecting leaf mulch and grass clippings for the last 3 years. And this is why I did it. So, I'll take you over to the pile. I might need this. Looks like I got a gopher. Well, it was an earthquake last night. No, I think I caught a mole, not a gopher. The hole is too small. So this is where I've been piling everything up for the last few years. Don't look at me. Don't pray. Stop cleaning your face. Look at your crazy friend over there. I've been watching those guys all day out the window. Coming from the neighbor's yard to over here. I don't mind as long as they don't mess with my vegetables. I have seen them eat grass. That's fine. In between cuttings, I got them helping me out until my lawnmower gets fixed or my guy comes through with his mower. Wow, this stuff looks good. Look at this. That's 3 years. That's beautiful. I'll put this hat once in the way. This was a great idea. That's going to be my filler. Wow. Let's get it. absolutely free. I just got off an 8-hour shift. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna do today. Because I am tired. So much to do. Today is the 15th of May, and to be honest, I was hoping that all this would be done by April, I believe it was 15th. So this is actually a month behind. I was hoping to have my watermelon planted, because there's no way I'm going to plant watermelon in the yard, not with this gopher. I don't know why I keep calling it a gopher. Not with this groundhog running around. Haven't seen it in about a week or two, but there was some damage to some beans that I set out on that table. One of the pots was turned over and the tops were gone. So the gopher is still here. I just haven't seen it, and I don't want to take a chance with watermelon this year like I did last year. Last year, totally robbed the watermelon. Use some of those logs over there, some of the bigger ones, because I'm gonna need a log splitter. I will use the logs on the next one. My goal is to fill this up at least to, if I can get it to here, leaf mulch, I'm winning. It's horrible out here. My allergies are the worst. Last year I wasn't that affected. This year, whatever I'm allergic to is definitely in the air. This might be easier. I am off work on Saturday. I do have a function to go to, but part of me wants to really focus on this. I'm not sure when my guys are going to be through. I'd rather just grow the food. Just all this other stuff is too much for me right now. There we go. Smarter, not harder. All right. Beautiful day. Beautiful. Little cool. Mosquitoes are biting. Long sleeves, hat, gloves. I got bit in the hand earlier. I didn't have my gloves on. I got bit in the head. Didn't have my hat on. Cut down on the sprays, the chemical sprays, by wearing stuff like long sleeves. Cut down on chemical exposure. And also exposure to poison ivy, which has probably gotten me, I don't know how many times on this property I've been exposed to poison ivy. My guess is about 12 times. Each time the effects are less and less. One time I had it for over a month. I could not get rid of it. At one time I didn't know exactly what it looked like until I started researching. Then I found what it looked like, and I was able to go through the property and get rid of most of it. Poison ivy usually hangs around the entry to a forest, woods, and tree lines. You never really see it like out in the middle like this. Sometimes it's on trees like it was in my front yard. The vine went all the way up the tree. I found that out when I was cutting grass, and I leaned against the tree, and about a day or two later, I'm itching. I'm like, where did this come from? I didn't touch anything. Then I remember I touched that tree. So had all that removed. Leaf mold is real. Look at that. There we go. That's what I'm looking for right there. All right. It's a marathon, not a race. Meaning that this is all I'm going to do for today. And I'm going to come back out tomorrow and do a little bit more. Then the day after that, a little bit more. So I'm done. There we go. that's all for today. I am tired. Thanks for watching.